Hey everybody, it's Andy. I recently got this GoRuck Bullet 18 two-compartment bag, and I'm going on a flight tomorrow on Spirit Airlines for the first time. Now, Spirit Airlines is one of those low-cost airlines that has the very limited personal item you're allowed to bring free, and this bag just happens to fit within those size limits pretty well. So I wanted to do a video showing what I'm packing for my trip tomorrow. If you like video like this and want to see more, please smash the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Anyway, let's take a look at what I've got packed in this bag. So first things first, I'm just going to go over to the quick access pocket on the back. The bag is pretty full, so I don't have much room here, but what I do have is a little flashlight. We're getting in pretty late, and we might need that to help with the rent-a-car, and a chapstick. Going in now to the front compartment, actually the main compartment. Let's go in there first. The main compartment I have pretty packed. First up here, I have this Patagonia torrent shell. This is a rain jacket. It's supposed to rain on Friday, so I'm going to use that for sure. I have here, this is a packing cube from Alpha 19er. I think this is their larger size, but this has all the clothing that I'm going to be using on this trip. I have a hat, Western Rise Versa, and a beanie. This is just a Under Armour brand one that I got a long time ago. And here's just a water bottle I got. It was swag from the office, but I think it fits pretty well over there. And then finally, in the back compartment here, I have papers for my itinerary, all the hotels and the rent-a-car confirmation and all that. And everything here fits pretty easily. It's it's a bit tight, but you want to use your space efficiently. And this actually bulges out the bag a little bit this way, which is fine. The dimension that I'm worried about most is the depth of the bag. So the width over here is not going to be a problem with the airline sizing box. So anyway, you can see I got that in all pretty easily. And I can zip it up. No problem. Anyway, over to the front part of the bag. Nice thing, it's like a GR2 where it has the two pockets. And over here, I just have a few pouches. This one is my boogie bag. This is the bag that I take with me basically every time I travel. I have all the things that I want with me, an eye mask, hand sanitizer, pills, a cable and charger. I always keep those here. This is a Deuter wash pouch. I got this a long time ago and never used it, but I wanted to be able to fit something in basically that, this, and here. So this was a toiletry kit that I felt was a good size. This is the Philips Norelco One Blade. I used to not like this so much, but recently it's been working for me on a travel because I broke my other travel one. And then over here I have retainer case, full-size deodorant, and all sorts of other things. And they're all able to fit in here. It's kind of tight getting the retainer case and the deodorant, but it does zip, and that's what I like. And then finally, I have my Tom Bin side effect. This is basically a purse. It has my wallet. It has a little rechargeable battery. I've got a pair of headphones, and I have like my keys and stuff in here, hand sanitizer. So this is the same sort of bag that I would put in my daily carry. I keep the little strap attached in case I want to use it as a sling, and I just slide that on the side because they fit next to these two pouches. Finally, the GR2 style built-in pouch up here, I have a little bit of redundancy. In here I have one of my favorite chargers. It's the Anker 737. It's the one that it's a battery and a charger all together built in. And I like this just because I can use it to charge everything that I own, and I can use it as a battery on the go. And then also in here, I have this Apple USB to Lightning cable in case the rent-a-car uses CarPlay. I want to be able to plug it in. And I have my pair of noise-canceling AirPods, the AirPods Pro, which I plan on using on the airplane. And those all just fit really easily right in here. And that'll zip up. I'm not using any of these like internal pockets except for this one now. Over here, I have some masks. It's flu season, it's COVID season, and I'm going to be on an airplane for who knows how long. I figure it's worth it. Anyway, that is everything that I'm going to be taking in my bag on a quick, long weekend trip. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash the like button on YouTube, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Is there anything that I'm missing that I should be packing? Or is there anything that you don't agree with? Leave a comment telling me what you think. Thank you all very much for watching, and have a good day.